Did you know that 62% of real estate agents spend at least an hour every day on marketing and advertising? Advertising can really bring in business. But here's the thing, you are missing out on a golden opportunity if you're not using your bio to make a personal connection with potential buyers. It's very easy to get lost in a sea of marketing where you focus solely on attracting leads through ads. But here's the real challenge. Even with all that marketing and advertising efforts that you are doing, how can you clearly stand out and stand out to the right clients? The answer might be simpler than you think. It's in your bio. Think about it. A flashy advertisement can catch someone's eye. But in your bio, this is where you really make a good connection with your potential clients. It's where your background, your story, and your unique skills can really shine. And this is information that you cannot provide during an advertisement. But here's the problem. Many agents overlook their bio, focusing only on the marketing materials. And that's a big missed opportunity. So here's how you can change that. First, human love stories. When you meet someone new, we want to know not just their background, but also what shaped them. Your bio is the perfect place to share your personal journey. You can use your bio to explain how your experiences have made you the agent that you are today. By doing so, you'll connect with potential clients on a deeper level. But don't stop there. The next step is key to really drive the point home. And if you're a local agent, you really have an edge and you need to use it. Talk about the neighborhood, the hidden gems, and the things that only a local real estate agent would know. This allows you to show potential clients that you are the one who exactly knows where they should live. That knowledge can be the deciding factor for a client to choose whether to work with you or to work with a competitor. But even if your bio is spot on, there is one more thing that could make or break your connection with potential prospects. Even the best bio won't matter if your prospects can't easily reach you. Don't make them hunt down for your phone number or email. Place your contact information where it's impossible to miss. And here's the twist. In today's world, more people prefer reaching out to you through social media rather than calling or emailing you. So in your website, in your bio section, or in the About Us section, do not forget to add your social media links. If someone is interested, they should be able to DM you on Facebook and Instagram without really struggling to find your social media handles. So as you're making the website, make sure that you are able to put links to your social media profiles, because people who are looking for information on agents, they not only want to say you have a website, but they really want to build a connection with you. If you need someone to help you build your website or create a bio for you or come up with social media content for you, give us a call.